Uttar Pradesh, the most popular and fourth largest state of India. The history of Uttar Pradesh is very ancient and interesting. Now I request to play a short video on the Uttar Pradesh state.
The entire Bundelkhand region is replete with stories of chivalry and valor. Bundelkhand was one of the 16 megacities of ancient India. Today, the Bundelkhand region is spread across 7 districts of Uttar Pradesh and 6 districts of Madhya Pradesh. Of these, Jalon, Jhansi, Hamirpur, Mahoba, Banda, Chitrakoot and Lalitpur districts are part of Uttar Pradesh. It is the land of Shungas, Guptas, Pratiharas, Chandelas, Gonds, Bundelas, Gusains and Marathas that came to power one after the other. Bundelkhand has inherited rich tourism assets which have become instant tourist attractions. Ropeways and trekking facilities are also available here. Thousands of lotuses that bloom in the lake near Mastani Mahal present an enchanting view. The lotus buds find ready market in Mathura and other pilgrimage sites where they are offered to God. The vibrant handcrafted wooden toys of Chitrakoot have carved out a niche for themselves. Such items make significant contributions to the economy of Bundelkhand. Besides forts, Bundelkhand is dotted with many world-renowned temples of antiquity. The Dashavatar temple, the Neelkant temple, and the cluster of 41 Jain temples in Devgarh, the Sun temple on the banks of Rohit Sagar, and the temples of Chitrakoot, to name a few. The dense jungles of Lalitpur, Chitrakoot and Mahoba are repositories of idyllic natural beauty.
That was wonderful video on Uttar Pradesh state. Thank you for watching. Now I cordially invite Sheikh Saluja from SRM University to deliver her speech.
Honorable Governor of Andhra Pradesh, esteemed dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen, and dear fellow citizens, I, Sheikh Saluja, a third-year student from SRM University 8, wish you warm greetings of Uttar Pradesh Formation Day. Today I am honored to share the enchanting world of Uttar Pradesh. My heart is full of pride. As I think about the state I am lucky to call home. Uttar Pradesh, the heart of India, was formed on 24 January 1950 and ever since it has carried with it a rich history, culture and spirit that connect us all. यह सबसे अधिक आबादी वाला एक छोटा सबसे बड़ा राज्य है. उत्तर वैदिक काल में इसे ब्रह्म ऋषि और मध्य भूमि का नाम प्राप्त है. यह श्री राम और श्री कृष्ण और बुद्ध की जन्मभूमि है तो कबीर और महावीर का कर्मस्थल. यह पवित्र गंगा शिव में समाती, यही रानी लक्ष्मीबाई की धरती कहलाती. मंगल पांडे जैसे सपूतों ने यहाँ छोड़ा प्रभाव. यह धरती है वीरों का गौरव स्वभाव. यह भूमि वैदिक काल से महर्षि मुनियों की पवित्र स्थल कहलाती है. भारद्वाज, गौतम, वशिष्ठ आदि की अध्यात्म से शोभा बढ़ाती है. यहीं से सभ्यताओं का इतिहास लिखा गया. यहीं से भारत का भविष्य देखा गया. संस्कृति, शौर्य और प्रगति का अभिमान, यह उत्तर प्रदेश है, भारत की शान. Uttar Pradesh, it's not just a place, it's a living, breathing part of India, the heart of India. From the ghats of Varanasi to the beautiful Taj Mahal in Agra, this state has seen history unfold in countless ways. It's where the Lord Rama was born in Ayodhya and Lord Krishna lived in Mathura and Vrindavan. These places hold deep meaning and filled us with faith, pride and love. I feel so proud that our Prayagraj, with its holy river Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati, is a home to the world famous Kumbh Mela. And this year in 2025, the Kumbh Mela has been organized, bringing millions of people from all over the world together in devotion. It is a symbol of unity, faith and spirituality for all of us. The Kumbh Mela is not just a religious gathering, it's an experience of peace and hope that unite us all. When I think about our state, I feel blessed. Agra gives us the Taj Mahal, a timeless symbol of love. Lucknow shares its beautiful chicken embroidery and tasty tunde kebab. I love tunde kebab. Kanpur and Mirzapur and Unnao each have their own charm and contribution, from rich tradition to thriving industries. Every place in Uttar Pradesh adds something special to the state. Our farmers work tirelessly to feed the nation.
The youth of Uttar Pradesh are filled with dreams and are helping to build the future of India. Whether it's the student of Kashi Vidyapeeth or the entrepreneurs of Noida, our youth continues to inspire us every day. Uttar Pradesh is a state of endless opportunity. Yes, we faced many struggles, but we have always come out stronger. Today, I see a bright future ahead, a future where every child gets a good education, where women feel safe, empowered, and where progress is felt in every village and city. I'm so proud of our heritage, our culture, and most of all, our strength. Uttar Pradesh, with its rich past and vibrant present, is ready to lead India to a brighter future. यह धरती वीरों की है, यह भूमि संतों की, हर कदम पर कहानी, यह गाथा दरोधरों की. यह उत्तर प्रदेश है जहाँ गंगा यमुना बहती है, जहाँ हर दिल में प्रेम, संस्कृति और भक्ति रहती है. गंगा जमुना की तहजीब, यह तहजीब हमारी जान है. उत्तर प्रदेश के कण कण में बसता हिंदुस्तान है. बदलते हुए उत्तर प्रदेश की तस्वीर देखिए, ख्वाबों में हर गाँव की तकदीर देखिए. हम सबके सपनों का यह प्रदेश एक नया भविष्य लिखेगा, यह उत्तर प्रदेश. एक नया भविष्य लिखेगा, यह उत्तर प्रदेश. On this Uttar Pradesh Formation Day, let us come together with love and respect to honor our state. Let's work as one to make Uttar Pradesh a place where dreams come true, a place of peace, progress, and prosperity for everyone. Thank you, everyone, and Jai Hind.
Thank you, Ms. Saluja. Classical dance is traditional art form that is characterized by its adherence to established techniques, principles, and repertoire. It is known for its emphasis storytelling, symbolism, and grace. Now, I warmly welcome to the Kumari Amrutasri Ruhika to perform classical dance.
गिरिवरविन्द्य शिरोधिनि jum, taka jum, takita jum, tatinginata, tatinginata, tatinginata. Jum, taka jum, takita jum, karaka targadum, karaka targadum, karaka targadum, na tiditinda, tiditinda, taka tindinda, tiditinda, na tiditinda, tiditinda, taka tindinda, tiditinda, na tiditinda, tatitta, tatiginata, titta, tatiginata, tatinginata, tatinginata, tatinginata. Takajonu, ta dingena tunga, ta dingena tunga, ta dingena ta dingena ta dingena ta dingena ta. Takajonu, ta dingena tunga, ta dingena tunga, ta dingena ta dingena ta dingena ta dingena ta ta dingena dingena takadinda dingena na dingena dingena takadinda dingena takajonu tanga tadigena tadi takajonu tanga tadigena ta takajonu tanga tadigena ta takatadigena ta takadiku tadigena ta. Takajana tanga, tadigena tade, takajana tanga, kardaga targadum, takadena tanga, kardaga targadum, kardaga targadum, takadeko kardaga targadum, na diditinda, diditinda, takadinda, diditinda, na diditinda, diditinda, takadinda, diditinda, tom, takita, 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 tom, tadingena ta, tadingena ta, tadingena ta, tom, takita, 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 tadingena ta, tadingena ta, tadingena ta, tom, takita, 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 tadingena ta, tadingena ta, tadingena ta. Takita tom, tatingena ta, tatingena ta, tatingena ta tom, takita, 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 tatingena ta, tatingena ta, tatingena ta tom, takita, 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 tatingena ta, tatingena ta, tatingena ta, ta diditinda, diditinda, takadinda, takatajodu, 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 takatajodu.
That was beautiful classical dance. Thank you, Amrita. Dadra Nagar Haveli and Daman Diu is a union territory in India. Now I request to play a short video on the Dadra Nagar Haveli and Daman Diu. Now I cordially invite Ms. Jia Narendra Singh Desai from Vidya University to deliver her speech.
Respected Governor Abdul Nazir Serji, honorable guests and esteemed audience, it is an honor for me to stand before you today and celebrate the formation of a region which many of us might be unaware of. Imagine a government was to declare an IAS officer as the Prime Minister of territory for one day, just to get him to sign instrument and accession with India. In today's time, there would be howls of outrage, marches, appeals to the Supreme Court, and a social media explosion. This is precisely what happened decades ago in order to secure the Union territory of Dadra Nagar Haveli, two colonial enclaves that the Portuguese refused to surrender. Situated between the states of Gujarat and Maharashtra, about 150 kilometers from Mumbai, Dadra Nagar Haveli covers 491 square kilometers, encompassing 72 villages. These territories came under Portuguese control in the late 18th century and remained so until their liberation in 1954, inspired by anti-Portuguese movements in Goa. Freedom fighters like Appa Saheb Karmarkar and Vishwanath Lavande led the charge, with support from national leaders such as Lohia and Jayaprakash Narayan. Even legendary singer Lata Mangeshkar performed to raise funds in 1954. On 2nd August 1954, after the fall of Portuguese rule, DNH had finally become an independent country. However, Portugal took the matter to the International Court of Justice, which ruled in its favor in 1960. Undeterred, the Varishtha Panchayat sought India's help, and in 1961, IAS officer K.G. Baldani was made Prime Minister for one day to sign the Instrument of Accession, making it a Union territory on 11th August 1961. The Indian government launched Operation Vijay and annexed Daman Diu, Goa, with Indian mainland on 19 December 1961. The Union territory was later merged with the neighboring Union territory of Daman and Diu on 26 January 2020. Today, this region, nestled at the foothills of Western Ghats, boasts forests covering 41.63% of its area and thus offers it a look of woodland. The territory has become a hub for industries, particularly in manufacturing and textiles. As it shares borders with both Maharashtra and Gujarat, the languages spoken here are Gujarati, Dhodia, Warli, Hindi, Marathi, Konkani, and traces of Portuguese. The major tribes Warli, Dhodia, Dublas proudly preserve their distinct cultures, marked by vibrant rituals and folk dances like Tarpa, Dhol, and Gheria. The beautiful towns of Daman and Diu has everything that a tourist looks for: gentle winds, soft sands, inviting sea waters, historical monuments, and delicious seafood. This region has seen many rulers, from fiery Marathas to the Portuguese. Yet, the essence of tribal life, its richness, art, song, and folklore have all remained unchanged. I would like to conclude a speech by reciting a poetry on a lighter note. Unknown to many folks, here lies a little piece of country. Unless you took the geography lesson seriously, then you would know we are not just landlocked, we even have an exotic island across. Yes, we are Dadra Nagar Haveli, Daman Diu, a tongue-twisting UT. We might be a little piece of country, yet we are proud to be part of Bharat, the land of unity and diversity. Now that you have had a little dose of history and geography, be wise not to let it slip it from your memory. The next time when someone asks, Dadra what? Point it to the map and confidently say, this is the place that made me feel smarter today. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Jia. Now it's time to listen a beautiful song. I warmly welcome to Chaitanya, Alam, Aditya and Prabhat from NIT to sing a melodious song.
Did you know that Uttar Pradesh holds the honor to contribute the highest number of soldiers in the Indian Army? Inspired by this fact, we would like to present a heartful song to salute to our soldiers. ए मेरे वतन के लोगो, तुम खूब लगा लो नारा, ये शुभ दिन है हम सब का, लहरा लो तिरंगा प्यारा, पर मत भूलो सीमा पर वीरों ने है प्राण गवाए, कुछ याद उन्हें भी कर लो, कुछ याद उन्हें भी कर लो, जो लौट के घर ना आए, जो लौट के घर ना आए। ए मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी।
कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के दिल हिलते हैं। कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते हैं रहना, अब तो हमें साथी है बस इतना ही कहना, अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते हैं रहना, अब तो हमें साथी बस इतना ही कहना। अब जो भी हो शोला बन के पत्थर है पिघलाना, अब जो भी हो बादल बन के पत्थर है छाना। कदमों से कंधे मिलते हैं कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दिल के दिल हिलते हैं। कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। बंदे में था दम वंदे मातरम, बंदे में था दम वंदे मातरम, बंदे में था दम वंदे मातरम, बंदे में था दम वंदे मातरम।
Thank you, friends. Uttar Pradesh has many folk dances including Ras Leela, Kathak and Ram Leela. The folk dances of Dadra Nagar Haveli include of Tarpa dance, Bhava dance, Dhol, etc. The folk dances of Daman Diu include Vertigo, Mando and Viva. The dances are often performed on special occasions. Now I warmly welcome to the students to perform folk dances of Uttar Pradesh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman Diu.
पैरों से आदिवासी
आदिवासी रे आम्ही आदिवासी आदिवासी आम्ही आदिवासी आदिवासी रे आम्ही आदिवासी आदिवासी आम्ही आदिवासी
आदिवासी रे आम्ही आदिवासी आदिवासी आम्ही आदिवासी
Thank you, student. That was great performance. Thank you once again. Now, I cordially invite our Honorable Governor Sri S. Abdul Nazir Sir to grace the occasion and address the gathering.
Dear students, ladies and gentlemen, namaskar to you all. I extend my warm greetings to the people of Uttar Pradesh and the Union Territory of Dadra, Nagar Haveli, Daman, Diu, who are celebrating their State Foundation Day on 24th and 26th January respectively. Uttar Pradesh is one of the most ancient cradles of Indian culture, and the roots of Indian culture and heritage can be traced in Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh has the distinction of giving how many prime ministers? 9 prime ministers and a president to the country. The state is presently witnessing the phenomenal congregation of the world, Mahakumbh Mela, in Prayagraj, which is held once in 144 years. The landlocked area of Dadra, Nagar Haveli, situated between Gujarat in north and Maharashtra in south, was merged with the neighboring union territory of Daman and Diu to form the new union territory of Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu on 26 January 2020. Dadra Nagar Haveli is endowed with nature's munificence and it is a land of spellbinding beauty. Daman and Diu boasts of a multifaceted cultural heritage where an unusual amalgam of various cultures, tribal and Indian, Portuguese and European, can be clearly seen. The Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat program enables us to share the knowledge of culture, traditions and practices of different states and union territories, leading to an enhanced understanding and bonding between the states, thereby strengthening the unity and integrity of India through the concept of oneness. Great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Rabindranath Tagore, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel have strongly advocated the idea of unity, brotherhood, tolerance and non-violence. We strongly believe in the spirit of fraternity, universal brotherhood and the concept of one nation, one people. I once again extend my heartiest greetings and felicitations to the people of Uttar Pradesh and the Union Territory of Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu on their State Foundation Day. Thank you all. Jai Hind.